Let's get cozy with homemade Fireball whiskey. Grab a bottle of your favorite budget whiskey. We're using Wild Turkey Bourbon whiskey. Then we'll pour out 2 ounces. Just a taste test. Next, toss in 6 cinnamon sticks. Next, pour 2 ounces of simple syrup in the bottle. You can also use cinnamon simple syrup if you have it. Seal the bottle and gently shake back and forth for 5 to 10 seconds a few times a day. We recommend preparing cinnamon whiskeys anywhere from a week to 2 days before you intend to enjoy them. Place in the fridge for optimal enjoyment. And that's homemade Fireball whiskey. The longer it sits, the more cinnamony it gets.